Hello everyone. A constant question that is asked to me is, how do we discipline our children? What are the different strategies or what are the techniques? It depends on the developmental age of the child, how old the child is. But a consistent thing that parents can do, no matter how old the child is, one, being persistent and consistent. Rules are rules, cannot be broken. And this boundary establishment starts right when the kids are toddlers. Don't go there, please don't touch that, dangerous. So some rules are established and the boundaries cannot be broken. And the parents, when they're consistent and persistent, the child imbibes them and realizes that, okay, can't do it. Second thing is, parents, it's okay to say no to your child. Yes, it's not something that the child should be used to all the time. Sometimes a no is a no. So it can be like, I love you a lot, but I'm sorry, today, no, not possible. So that the child gets used to and understands that no is a no, and my parents do love me. No doesn't mean rejection, no doesn't mean unlove. Third, there has to be a constant establishment of boundaries. What do I mean by boundaries? For example, timing when it comes to teenagers. So by 6 o'clock, come home. The boundary establishment should be such that they have to manage their timing on their own. The repercussions of time management is something the child will have to face on their own. So when these are laid out, disciplining becomes easy because it is not something personal. It is a rule that the children will follow for their betterment, for their better physical and mental health. These three strategies, if we can follow, at least the ground rules are laid. It's not going to be easy, but try sticking to it. So all the best.